So as soon as we are out of this, whoops, let me just turn off everything, turn on everything. And we're back at the intro. Pretty sure it's just a copy paste, but it is less long. And this is a trick, not really a trick, but this is something I do quite often, where, you know, your intro is 32 bars or maybe 46 or whatever length you have your intro. At least for drum and bass, that's what I mostly use. And then your break is usually 16. And I do that to kind of keep the energy in there. Because if, you know, after your first drop, you're going back to a 32 bar breakdown, that can lose quite a lot of energy. And this is all you're thinking of, you know, thinking of it in a club perspective, you know, thinking about how will people react to this music, or how will they react to this breakdown if it is played live. And what I have noticed is that 16 bar intros or 16 bar breakdowns kind of work a little bit better to maintain the energy in the room, but of course you cannot go with that for too long, so you'll have to. But this is all kind of live mixing stuff, and that's not what we're here about, are we? So let's just continue to this drop, second drop. Basically, it just becomes even more of a clusterfuck. In terms of sounds, I didn't change any sounds for this, but I changed the flow of things. Obviously, in the first drop, that main synth just hits on the 1, but here it kind of hits right after. As you can hear, it has an 1/8 note delay in it, basically. And I've already, and also it's already a little bit more filled than the first drop, or at least than the first 16 bars of the first drop were. So the first 16 bars of this second drop are a little bit more filled, and they already have some of those other variations implemented into it. But other than that, there's not much to it because the sounds are pretty much all the same. Again, this is a quite simple song, but there are a lot of techniques in it that can be quite useful.